God, and a little energy in your hustle, perseverance, and commitment. So why being crazy when you know?
Yes, because you have a long.
If it can happen for me from nothing to this level, then it can happen for anybody.
100%.
So look at you. Look at where you are today.
Yes, sir.
It's all about consistency.
Consistency and hard work, sir. I appreciate, sir. I appreciate.
That's what life is all about.
Okay, what will you tell to your 17 years old? If you are 17, what will you tell yourself now? And to people watching now, what will you tell them at their young age?
Make sure you get a degree, and above all, make sure you're a businessman. There is nothing powerful than trade. You know, I wake up every day being so confident I'm gonna make millions of naira. So that's why you can comfortably buy anything you want. You understand, you know, grow businesses. You might start up a business and start losing at the first time. Don't worry. Let people get familiar with what you do. Along the line, boom, they will come looking for you.
100%. And there's a video that went viral, sir. I just wanted to clear the air. There's a guy that wanted to take a picture with you, and you look at him. You remember the video that went viral?
I mustn't take pictures every time.
Definitely,
you know?
that one too.
I must be in the mood to take.
Yes.
I was walking.
You were walking, and someone was.
So and I've taken a couple of shots with the guy earlier on.
Okay, and you called him back.
So no, before.
Okay, before.
So no problem.
Hope you understand. Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir, for this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
I'm proud of whatsoever you do.
Thank you, sir.
Keep doing it.
Thank you, sir.
Keep pushing.
Thank you, sir.
The ability to have a mobile network to show the world what we have is our major energy. So
yes,
never
sir.
stop.
Yes, sir.
And to anybody out there pushing out content, smart, energetic, educational content, don't stop.
Thank you, sir.
Believe in yourself and make sure you get a business. There's nothing powerful like a trade.
Thank you, sir. Peace out.